Mrinal, of course, picking up from here, and you are a mixed martial arts exponent yourself. Do you see yourself playing a sports person sometime soon? Given that, yeah, he said more women in Olympics.
Rita and sir, thank you for making me a part of this event. Thank you guys for coming, and I'm really happy to have a conversation with you, like one on one. Yes, of course, I would love to be a part of a film where I am a sports person. I can't wait to actually, because and also like the way. Thank you to Rakesh sir for writing Ananya. I think she's amazing, not because she's vulnerable, but because she's so strong, and we really need women like Ananya. And even in future films that I do, I want to be somebody who's mentally strong, and something that people have, like, we meet a lot of girls in our real life, and they're the heroes. Like, having said that, yes, I'm waiting for sir to give me a script where I get to play either, I would love to be a swimmer, because I'm hydrophobic, and I was reading the book, and I read that sir's son was mentioning that how he just pushed him into the pool without any notice while he was 3. And I really need a director like Rakesh sir who could just like push me in that pool or in that ocean, and I just want to like get rid of my fear. And so probably I can, like, sir, if you're making a film like that, I would love to be a part of it.
So you're already part of a sports film, another sports film?
Yes, another I want to do, but Rita, I have
She's
to
greedy,
mention,
yeah.
I am very greedy. I'm very selfish when it comes to an actor. But trust me, Rita, when I was on the movie set, on Tufan when we were filming, and I'm a big fan of real locations, and so he himself is. He told me one thing, that Mrinal, that's your playground. Just go play. Just go act. He never told me what I'm supposed to do, and that's what I love about him. If he felt like I was a little distracted or I was going a little off track, he would always be like, Ani, let's do it this way. I was like, okay.
How nice.
And that's the most beautiful thing about Sir. And trust me, I cannot get enough. I mean, I just feel like, even though the journey Tufan, we've stopped, we're not filming anymore. I just want to go back on sets, and I literally am having the hangover of, I'm missing my set so much, and I can't wait for Sir to make Tufan 2, or where I'm actually in the ring this time.
Mrinal, any high point of your struggle that you'd like to share with us? Because
So my family had moved to Kerala, and I was staying here in a hostel. And I really did not enjoy the hostel life. Trust me. I used to dream that one day I'll just like have a house of my own, and I really worked towards it. And the progress, it took lot of time, but it happened, and I knew that one day I'm going to make that difference. To appear in front of camera and to appear on television was like a big task, because coming from a Maharashtrian background, from a family who was not really comfortable with me being an artist, being an actor, it was difficult to convince them. But like Mughal-e-Azam changed everything for Sir. For me, it was Three Idiots.
wow.
Yes, so like how you see how the characters, they follow their heart, they follow their passion, and पैसे तो क्या है, अगर आपका job, if you enjoy working, if you love doing what you should just enjoy doing what you really love. So I just followed that, and I made sure that I somehow, I'm sorry mom and dad, but I convinced and I manipulated them to allow me to pursue Bachelor of Mass Media, and then allow me to do, to be an actor. And after the first show, they were so proud of me, because I had a conversation. This was the first time I was having an honest conversation with my family. I think these were very, very important. Also for like my friends, they are unable to do what they want to, they desire, because their parents want them to be in a certain way. They want them to be either a doctor or an engineer, But trust me, whoever, I'm like, please guys, like allow your kids to follow their passion. And I'm sure they will excel because nobody is as amazing. You know, in the book also there's sir has mentioned that the biggest competitor is you yourself. So बट स्कूल में ये सिखाया जाता है कि उसको इतने मार्क्स मिले तो तुमको भी ज़्यादा मार्क्स मिलना चाहिए. सो प्लीज़ डोंट कंपेयर योर चाइल्ड with the other kids around. So this journey, you know, from making the transition from medical to Bachelor of Mass Media, from mass media to television, from television to films, it's a constant struggle, hustle. But I'm kind of loving it because I enjoy drama in my life. So the credit goes to my father. He's a banker, but he loves watching films. If I play a song or, you know, he will tell me which year this song was shot, which movie it is, who's the composer, and how old he was, or which theater did he watch that film in. So Dad, we had that VCR and he used to get movies like Kati Patang, Aradhana, Hathi Mere Sathi. These were like गिने चुने 2-3 CDs होते थे और क्योंकि दूरदर्शन होता था, केबल नहीं था, तो हर लंच और डिनर पे हम लोग वही CD को, आराधना को, कटी पतंग को हम घिसते रहते थे जब तक वो घिस ना जाए. तो ये फिल्में हम देखकर बड़े हुए और आई थिंक ये एक्टिंग का कीड़ा भी डैड ने ही हमारे अंदर डाला है. इसीलिए मैंने उनसे पूछा कि क्या पापा आपको हीरो बनना था, कभी सोचा था दैट यू वांटेड टू बी अ हीरो. ही इज लाइक बनना तो था लेकिन मेरी मम्मी थी, पापा थे, आपकी मम्मी थी, अब यू नो मेरी वाइफ और 2 बच्चे, सबका ध्यान कैसे रखूँगा. तो हीरो हमारे लिए उस वक्त थोड़ा मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा ही मतलब ये सपना इट वॉज अनअचीवेबल. सो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है. And this conversation I had with him when I was in 12th standard. और वो मेरे दिमाग में कहीं ना कहीं था कि you know मेरा डैड का सपना नहीं हुआ पूरा लेकिन मैं करूँगी. And that's how it happened. I remember fighting for the cable connection. I remember fighting for getting myself enrolled into that the library where the CD libraries used to be. You know, at that point of time we used to rent the DVDs and watch. The first Hollywood movie I watched was Frida.
Right.
Yes, where Salma Hayek featured in it. And I was like, Salma Hayek, I really want to be like her. And the best thing that happened during Love Sonia was I got a call from my director, Tabriz Noorani, saying that, you know, Demi Moore and Salma Hayek are friends. And Demi showed the poster to Salma and Salma says, oh my God, Mrinal looks like me. And I'm like, oh my God,
I was just going to say that.
Did she say that? And I was very happy. So, you know, when I was facing the camera for the first time during my audition, I was staying in a hostel and my first monologue was about mother. मैं बहुत मिस कर रही थी मम्मी को क्योंकि मैं हॉस्टल में थी और मम्मा केरला में थी, हम दोनों रो रहे थे. I was 17 years old. And in that room when that audition was happening, I just felt like I was talking to my mother, and that was the time I made best friends, you know, with camera. So that's how I felt कि this is it. Film ही मेरे लिए सब कुछ है. 3 Idiots literally changed my life and I'll always be thankful to that movie. And there are many actors like Irfan sir, Tabu, they are my favorite performers. When I was studying literature, The Namesake, the book, हम लोग ने cheating की, मैंने cheating की, मैंने book नहीं पढ़ी थी. मैंने सीधी जाके movie देखी क्योंकि I connect more to visuals. But I feel like literature is something that allows an actor to explore and understand the journey. So I started I was not a reader, let me admit that. I started reading poetry. I followed Rupi Kaur, and then my co-actors, when I used to watch them read, I used to keep asking they used to read to me. So and the first time I got a book, Present, The Fault in Our Stars, which I told you, I'm a sucker for romance. So when I started, जब मैंने वो book पढ़नी शुरू की, तो मुझे, you know, that curiosity build हो रही थी कि आगे क्या होगा, या मुझे ऐसी और रोमांटिक मूवीज फिल्म्स पढ़नी है. एंड इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ तब होती है जब मूवीज़ भी होती है और बुक्स भी होती है, तो आप दोनों कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. तो मेरे लिए अगर आप पूछे, आई एम मोर ऑफ अ विजुअल पर्सन, एंड you know, Harry Potter and all these films really like excited me, and when I was growing up. But talking about, let's get back to the question. I get distracted a lot. But the question, how did I land? Yes, I landed. I think it's because of the credit goes to my dad. I don't know कैसे react करेंगे पापा, लेकिन
I'm sure he'll be very happy.
you know, he was hesitant to allow me to be in this field क्योंकि लोग डरते हैं, उनको लगता है कहीं मेरी बेटी बिगड़ ना जाए, कहीं कुछ गलत ना हो जाए. लेकिन everything is, I met like the best people. मैं हमेशा अच्छे लोगों के साथ, talented लोगों के साथ, और you know, working with Rakesh sir was like a dream come true because I had mentioned this earlier also. मैंने उनको Facebook पे मैसेज भेजा था भाग मिल्खा भाग देखने के बाद. मैं अकेली थिएटर में देख रही थी मूवी, और मुझे फिल्में अकेले देखना बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि मुझे वो डिस्टर्ब करना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, कोई अगर मुझे डिस्टर्ब करे. तो मैं बहुत इंस्पायर हुई थी वो फिल्म देखने के बाद, और मैंने सर को मैसेज भी भेजा था. आई डोंट थिंक ही इज़ एक्टिव ऑन फेसबुक, लेकिन ट्रस्ट मी टुडे ऑल्सो दिस बुक हैज़ चेंज्ड माई लाइफ. I'll tell you how. You know, when after Tufan, I keep cribbing. I keep sending sir messages. Sir, I really miss you because there's nobody like him. I adore him. I respect him. I worship him because he's really like the best director, my dream director that I really wanted to work with. Or The Stranger in the Mirror. Yes, I met that stranger in the mirror. In between the shots, जब जो दूसरे डायरेक्टर्स है, अगर उनको लगता है कि मेरा परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा नहीं था, मैं वैनिटी में आकर बैठती और मैं मिरर के सामने मैं अपने आप को देखती रहती हूँ. मैं ये नहीं देखती कि मेकअप कैसा है या मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, लेकिन मुझे मेरी पूरी हिस्ट्री आ जाती कि वाई डिड आई स्टार्ट, एंड दैट्स व्हेन द रियल मी, यू नो, बहुत कम लोगों को वो पावर होता है अपने अंदर के अपने आप को मिला पाए. सो आई थिंक ही इज दैट पर्सन हु इंट्रोड्यूस्ड मी टू माई सेल्फ.
Amazing. A round of applause for Rakesh. What is your journey around food and the food that your mother has made for you?
I eat, sleep, dream food.
Not visible.
I make sure that it's not visible. But one of the reason why I really wanted my mom to come back and live with me in Mumbai is because the food. I really, really miss that. And I, being a Maharashtrian, you know, the fish and the curries, I really, really miss, you know. And I have made so many friends in every city only because of food. I've bonded over food. And I think, so I was a very shy child. I used to never speak. My dad, he got transferred and I changed 11 schools in my life. So having a conversation, that's a lot. Having a conversation with, you know, friends was very difficult for me. So I always used to begin the conversation कि आज टिफिन में क्या लाया तूने? You know, आज मैंने टिफिन में ये लाया. So, you know, food was like an icebreaker for me. And I think food is very important. On set also, we only kept
I was just
talking
going to
about
come to
food.
that.
In the book, it's only about, you know, food. There's just food everywhere. And there's one beautiful thing mentioned in the book that, you know, the only thing that is constant is change. But you have to change too, right? अगर आप नहीं बदलोगे तो कुछ नहीं बदलने वाला. दुनिया बदल जाएगी लेकिन आप वहीं के वहीं रहेंगे. So all these one lines in the book, you know, it has really inspired me. If I'm having a bad day on set, and you know, I have this now. I've made this a habit that in between the shots, जब lighting कुछ change हो रही होती है, तो मैं थोड़ा सा, you know, पढ़ लेती हूँ in between the shots. तो एक जो last chapter है जो मेरा बहुत ही favorite है, Mirror. उसमें इतने अच्छे से बखूबी से आपने, you know, you wrote it. That's one of my favorite chapter in the book, and it was so overwhelming. Like, you know, I believe that after reading this book, I have started जो अपने अंदर के जो instincts होते हैं, I have started following that. क्योंकि वो अंदर की एक आवाज़ होती है, हम हमेशा उसको अनदेखा कर देते हैं, सुनते नहीं है, लेकिन होता वही है जो हमने पहले सोचा था. So I feel like after reading this book, Rita, I think I'm a better person. I'm more aware. So thank you for writing such an amazing book. And so, आपका जितना मैं thank you करूँ उतना कम है.